My name is Alina and I come from the University of Bern in Switzerland. I'm a PhD student and I work on the interferon system in bats because bats have been shown to be an important reservoir for emerging zoonotic diseases.
My name is Samuel C. I'm from Hong Kong. I'm a first-year PhD student in the School of Public Health at the University of Hong Kong. I'm currently working on several epidemiological studies, so I'm also interested in the transition between within host immunity and between host immunity. And I'm also working on vaccinology studies as well, so I work on vaccine effectiveness and sometimes look at some effects after vaccination.
My name is Ariel. I'm currently a Year 3 Bachelor of Science and Master of Research student studying biological sciences under the Faculty of Science, and I'm also an ambassador for HKU and my faculty as well.
I heard about it from a colleague who in turn worked from a colleague, so it was really word of mouth.
As a student from the school, so I hear a lot about the institute, sure, but I never really attend any courses under this institute, but I'm very interested in learning like vaccinology and virology. So my supervisor recommended me to take a look at the course, which he think that I will benefit a lot from it because of the contents that are not usually covered in other courses offered by HKU. So I took a look and I applied, and luckily I got in.
Actually received an email about the Culture Foundation and this course as well, and that's how I found it.
It was mostly the breadth of topics because here we're not just learning about pathogens from the virology side or the immunology side, we're really also public health and decision making, and that is really unique.
So my background is in public health, but I didn't learn much about immunology and virology. And as a student trying to explore different fields, I feel like it's interesting to understand how different fields like intertwine, and that's why I want to look more into virology aspects. I used to take MPH from another institution, but I don't feel like I have that much of a knowledge, and as a student I want to explore further, and that's why I want to understand more about emerging viral infections. And after joining the course, I feel like it's a really fundamental course and allow me to explore deeper into the fields of virology and its intersection with novel infections that are taking place both in animals and humans. And I feel that should deepen my research in this area and make me a more competent researcher.
I knew that Hong Kong, especially for HKU, we have a lot of world-renowned professors who have been there at the start of the pandemic and then working on research, and I also know that this camp will have different professors flying in from around the world. It's just such an amazing opportunity to meet such level of intellect and to discuss with them what's going to happen in the future.
What really stood out to me and what really made me want to join this course was the faculty. When I checked who was teaching the courses, I thought, wow, those are world-leading experts.
I've attended different conferences and different workshops, but I feel like the Culture Center course has really offered me opportunity to talk with different elite professionals in the field. So I have the chance to ask them questions and trying to solve a bit of the doubts or mysteries in my own research. And I feel like not only have I learned a lot, but I also deepened my understanding and untangled some of the problems that I have in my own research. So I feel like it's a win-win situation, and this is really fascinating for me.
Worth the travel.
The three words that I would use to describe this course are inspiring, world-class, and welcoming, because everyone here is so nice. I make great friends, and everyone is trying hard to foster an environment of learning and growing.
To summarize the course with 3 I's, I'd say it's impactful, obviously, because I've learned a lot of things from the course. And I also had a chance to meet my potential collaborators and a lot of peers at my own age. So I had the opportunity to talk with them and try to know them better and see if we can do some collaborations in the future. The next word I would describe is interactive, because obviously I had a chance to speak with different peers and a lot of experts. The third word I would use is inspiration, It's obviously I've gained a lot of inspiration from this course, and I really look forward to put what I've learned in this course into the research I'm conducting, and hopefully that makes me a better researcher.